welcome. My Aquarius in the building. You are up. You are up. Thank you guys so much for all your likes, your subscribes, your donations, for all your support. For Three Eyes to See, LLC. We have Archangel Michael here for guidance and protection. Truly grateful. Let's get it. We in Leo season. Leo season for my Aquarius. Keep in mind, Aquarius, all readings cannot resonate with each and every Aquarius. Check your moon, your rising, your Venus, and your North Node placements. If it doesn't resonate with you, it's probably because it's resonating with your person that's in your aura field. We're all on different timelines. So this could be your past, your present, or your future. Let's get it. Let's go. 3 cards, please, for Aquarius and Leo season. What's the overall energy for my Aquarius and Leo season, please? Aquarius and Leo season. How many is that, Spirit? You want them. Okay. Alright. Spirit want me to take them. Yep, it's 3. Thank you. I'm truly grateful. Bottom of the deck. Unlimited ideas. Unlimited ideas. Come through. Alright. No more complaining. No more complaining. Come through. I guess if you have unlimited ideas, there's no more complaining. Raise or promotion. Yes. Come through. Partnership. Partnership. All right, for my Aquarius in Leo season. Okay, so for some of you guys, I'm feeling like you're gonna go into partnership with a company or some people. Open up a business with a company or some with a company. You're going to join forces with a company or some other people to collaborate, a partnership that's going to be prosperous in business. A lot of you guys have been complaining about how you have lack of opportunities, lack of income. That's changing. Your ancestors are helping you change that mindset. Thank you, Spirit, ancestors, and guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for my Aquarius. My Aquarius and Leo season, please. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for Aquarius and Leo season. What's the energy, please, for Aquarius and Leo season? What's the energy for Aquarius? What's the energy for my Aquarius and Leo season? What's the energy for Aquarius? What's Aquarius energy, please? One more for Aquarius and Leo season. Ooh. Aquarius. Okay. Maybe one more for Aquarius and Leo season. Aquarius. For my Aquarius, 1 card. For Aquarius. Keep on to give you so many. This one, thank you. Truly grateful. Time for a deep dive. It's time for a deep dive. Come through. Sweet results awaits. Sweet results awaits. Yes, come through. Open to infinite possibilities. Open to infinite opportunities. Infinite. I can't even talk. Infinite. Think on your feet. Think on your feet. That won't stay in the deck this season. Okay. Here we go. Your spirit team wants you to stay open-minded, because they sending opportunities your way. And if you pick the right thing, have the right tone, the right frequency, it'll turn out sweet. But you got to think on your feet and stay positive. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation. Yeah, they sending opportunities to you. And you're going to have to think on your feet, and you're going to have to be positive. Stay optimistic. I keep hearing. Stay optimistic. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and guides. Truly grateful. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation from my Aquarius in Leo season. One card, please. One card for Aquarius. What's the current energy? What's the present energy for Aquarius in Leo season, please? One card. What's the current energy for my Aquarius? What's the current energy, please? One card. What's the present energy for Aquarius? What's Aquarius present energy, please? One card. One card. What's the current energy for Aquarius? Which one? The bottom? Thank you. Two of air. There you are. There you are. Two of air. Yeah, you want to know which road to take. You want to take the blinders off and see clearly which way to go. You don't want to have no confusion on where you're supposed to be headed. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and guides. Truly grateful. What's the influence? One card for Aquarius. What's the influence for Aquarius? One card, please. What's crossing Aquarius, please? One card. What's the influence? One card. What's the influence for Aquarius, please? One card. Ooh. Which one? The Ace of Earth. Come through. The Ace of Earth. So you could have Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus in your chart, or your person. Spirit said take the other one too. Wow. Message of air. There you are. Messenger, air, and the Ace of Earth. So you didn't trust, or you didn't feel like you could trust your stability or your gifts. You were in your head about trusting in these opportunities that in the past that were coming towards you, opportunities that were shown to you from the ancestors and guides. Your intuition was telling you to do it, but you didn't feel comfortable and grounded enough to listen. You didn't feel secure, safe enough. What's the past issue? 2 again. Can't take 2 again. 1 card, please. 1 card. What's the past issue for my Aquarius, please? 1 card. What's the past issue? Ooh. Justice, Libra energy. You or your person could have Libra in your chart. You couldn't balance. You couldn't balance them scales. You wasn't grounded. 3 of water. This person wants to come back. Someone wants to reconcile. Maybe you want to go to them and reconcile. Someone got served karma. Yeah, you wasn't grounded. You couldn't get grounded. You couldn't figure out how to get grounded, how to find stability. That was karma. That was someone's karma. Because I'm feeling all over the place. Just no ground. Can't get grounded. Wasn't able to think on your feet. Wasn't steady on your feet. Whole lot of pressure. Not feeling like yourself. Complaining about every little thing. That was karma. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the interpretation and the confirmation for Aquarius. For Aquarius. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for Aquarius. What's the immediate past for Aquarius, please? 1 card. What is in the immediate past for Aquarius? I'm through. Happiness. Abundance. Leo energy. You or your person could have Leo in your chart with the sun. Someone made you completely happy, abundant. They felt like they could grow, and you felt like you could grow. Maybe you evolved with this person, or because of this person. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. What's in the thoughts? 1 card. What's in the thoughts for Aquarius, please? What's in the thoughts? What's in the thoughts? Justice with the King of Swords. There you are with the King of Swords. With Libra energy with the Justice again on the board. 11-11. So you could have been dealing with a twin that made you extremely happy, abundant, powerful, grounded, stable, and you don't want to fight with them no more. Maybe you argue with them. Maybe you hid your emotions. All you thought about was finances. You didn't think about feelings. You could have chose other people, places, and things over this person. And you received karma as a result. And you felt like you felt it because you kept talking about it, complaining about it. Now Spirit wants you to stand in your power. Put your sword down and stop arguing and fighting with this person because you know you're miserable without them. You know that they're your happiness. They make you the most happiest and grounded you ever felt, ever. Now you want to be open to infinite possibilities. Infinite possibilities. You want to think on your feet. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Because you want this partnership with this twin. This divine counterpart that made you the most happiest you ever been. The most grounded. Who or what is coming towards Aquarius, please? One card. Who or what? Who or what is coming towards Aquarius? One card. Who or what? Who or what? Yeah, you want to reconcile with this person, with the Three of Water. You have unlimited ideas to how to return to this person, how to get them back. You open to infinite possibilities that this person will take you back. You thinking on your feet. You know it's sweet results awaits with this person. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Confirmation. Six of Wands. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sag. They can have it in their chart, or you. But you see, you want that victory. You see victory with this person. Success. Abundance. Tower. They could also have Scorpio in their chart, or you. But you're going to be shocked if this person accepts your apology and take you back. Because you realize that you picked some person, place, or thing. It looks like money with the raise or promotion above it over this connection. And you know that they know it. You picked some other thing outside of this person. And it'll shock you if they take you back. But it had to crumble so you can rebuild a firm, solid connection, foundation. That's why you had an Ace of Earth. All aces are gifts from the ancestors on this channel. So the ancestors want to gift you. They want to offer you this gift of firm, solid foundation with this person. So you can stop complaining about what you had, how you lost it. They want you to stop complaining, but you have to take a deep dive. Time for a deep dive. Really understand what you did wrong. So you don't repeat the same thing again. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for my Aquarius. One card. What's the fear? What's the fear? One card. That's too many. Just want one card, please, Spirit. For Aquarius. Fear. One card. One card for the fear. Thank you. The Queen of Swords. There you are. The Queen of Swords. You scared this person gonna cut you off. They gonna play you like you played them. They gonna tell you to run through all these tricks and loops and hoops, and then they gonna cut you off. Anyway. They gonna have you confused thinking y'all gonna get back together, and then they gonna cut you off. That's your fear. How does others view Aquarius? One card. How does others see Aquarius? One card, please. How's Aquarius viewed by others? Thank you, Spirit. The Nine of Pentacles. They see you as beautiful, single, abundant. But this is your true pair. This is a twin flame connection. This is a true pair. The King of Swords with the Queen of Swords. You know this. They know this. True pair on the board. 11-11. Justice card twice. With the Sun. And the Six of Wands. Victory. You could have had an ego. Your ego could have ruined this relationship. Arrogance. Cocky. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation. You could have took this person for granted, ran over them, thought they would stay forever. You could do whatever, say whatever, and they were just going to be there. What's the wishes? One card. What's the wishes for Aquarius? What's the wishes? One card for Aquarius. What's in the wishes? Yeah. One card. What's in the wishes for Aquarius? One card, please, for the wishes for Aquarius. One card for the wishes for Aquarius. Thank you. Six of Wands. You want victory with this person. You want to win with this person. You want to return. They turned their back on you. You turned your back on them. But you want to return. You want to reconcile. You want to set a firm, solid foundation with this person. You have unlimited ideas to how to get this person to return to you. You receive karma. They receive karma. Justice has been balanced. What's the outcome for Aquarius, please? One card. Oh, come through. The Sun again, Leo energy. So this is going to be a reunion of twin flames coming together for a victorious ending. Abundance. You raised your vibration. They've raised theirs. You on the same frequency. High vibing. Yeah. You had the Sun twice. The Justice twice. The Six of Wands twice. Yes. A true pair. The King and the Queen of Swords. The Tower with the Three of Cups. Come through. And the Star. There you are. There you are. Y'all both healed and ready to be vulnerable. Yes, together. Yes. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Y'all took a deep dive and healed. Yes. You could be seeing 666, 888, 1111. 999. This is beautiful, Aquarius. Wow. Yeah. This is beautiful. Ooh. I'm getting lost in that energy. Okay. Keep it pushing. Let's get it. Let's go. For my Aquarius. For my Aquarius. For my Aquarius, please and thank you. Truly grateful. Yeah, you could have said some harsh words to this person. You could have talked harshly towards them a lot. Could have put them down a lot. You see, the Queen's sword is up, but the King's sword is down. The King and the Queen of Swords. The King don't want to fight no more. The Queen ready to... Don't try it. I'm just saying. I'm just gonna say. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for Aquarius in Leo season. Who or what is the messenger of air for Aquarius? One card. Why is the messenger of air here for Aquarius? Who or what? Keep giving me like 8. I just want one. One card. My lady. So you were sick when you lost this person? When they left you, you was literally sick? Yeah. Or vice versa. Remember, energy is fluent. If it's not you, it's them. Cross watchers, flip it. Somebody was literally sick and could have sent a text message and told you, I'm sick. Like, for real, I'm in the bed, I'm sick. I had to see a doctor, I'm sick. Yeah. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for Aquarius. Who or what is the 2 of air? It's too many. Who or what is the 2 of air? One card, please. Why is the 2 of air here for Aquarius? One card. One card. Who or what is the 2 of air? Love. Yeah, you could have picked something else over this love. Person, place, or thing. You picked something else. Could have been work. Could have been traveling. Could have been family. Could have been children. You picked something else over this person. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation. Let's see. Justice. Why is Justice here twice for Aquarius? One card. Who or what is Justice? Who or what is Justice for Aquarius? So many. Who or what is Justice for Aquarius? It's too many. I just want one card. One card, please, for Aquarius. Why is Justice here twice? Thank you. Haughtiness. Oh, yeah. Because you thought you was better than this person. You could have thought you looked better. You dressed better. You thought you was better than this person. So you got karma for that. Your ego. Your pride. Yeah. Left them waiting. Oh, they'll be there. I can do what I want to do. They'll be right there. But you know, sweet results awaits. Sweet results awaits. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. Truly grateful for the messages, protection, and the confirmation for Aquarius. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Let's get it. Let's go. Become part of the tribe that vibes high. Over here at 3 Eyes to See, LLC. Let's get it. Let's go. Say less. Say less. Yeah, you could think that this person is not, you're not good enough for this person. They too pretty, or they too handsome to want to be with you. Thank you, Spirit, Ancestors, and Guides. What's the messages, please, for Aquarius concerning this spread? What's the messages? What's the messages for Aquarius concerning this spread, please? What's the messages? What's the messages for Aquarius concerning this spread? Alright. How many we got? That's a lot. Get support from a trusted group of like-minded friends. Yeah, your spirit team. Yes. The experiences that you're presently going through are an initiation into fulfilling your purpose as a healer. Come through. Confirmation. Like I said, you and this person going to come together, reconcile, and heal together. Stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to the outcome. Once again, I showed you the king and the queen. Her sword is up. His sword is down. So she still might want to have some things to say, but he's already said what he needs to say. Energy is fluent, so it's that vice versa. Let compassion and forgiveness be your top priority in this situation. Sweet results awaits with the honeybee. Confirmation. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. Yeah, confirmation. More confirmation. So there you have it. Confirmation after confirmation. That's what I have for you, Aquarius. Namaste.